of the Republic of Malawi and all members of the judiciary here present. Honorable Loza Fachi Mbirizi, MP-elect, Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Water Development. Honorable George Partridge, Minister of Industrialization, Business, Trade and Tourism. Dr. Justin Saidi, Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet. Honorable Peter Mukito, the Secretary General of the Democratic Progressive Party. Honorable Linda Limbe, Secretary General of the Alliance of Democracy Afford. Inkosi Yamakosi Mberwa 5. Inkosi Yamakosi Gomani 5. Paramount Chief Kiyungu. Paramount Chief Chikulamayembe. Mr. Kiswell Dakamau, the Director of State Residence. All government officials here present. Apostle Timothy Koviwa, officiating Kreje, distinguished invited guests. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of
You repeat after me. I,
prescribed by an act of parliament. Your Excellency, therefore, appointed today, Tuesday, 21st October 2025, as the day on which the ministers should take and subscribe to the oath of office and the oath of allegiance. Your Excellency, may I now seek Your Excellency's authority to allow the Chief Registrar, Honorable Innocent Nebi, to administer the oath. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Your Excellency, I will start with Honorable Loza Fachi Mbirizi MP. If you can come forward, Honorable.
And bear true allegiance to the Republic of Malawi.
And that I will preserve,
And that I will preserve,
protect, and defend the Constitution of Malawi.
And defend the Constitution of Malawi.
As by law established.
As by law established.
So help me God.
So help me God.
proceedings. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Your Excellency, it is a tradition on such a momentous occasion for Your Excellency to say words of counsel to the appointees. I wish, therefore, to request Your Excellency to address the appointees. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Aren't you supposed to speak first? To give directions to the civil servants? Why speak? He doesn't want to do his job, so I'll do it for him. My God, the light is so bad here. I don't know. Justin, you can't afford any electricity. I can hardly read, but I'll try to do so. Let's see. Right Honorable Dr. Jenny Answer, Vice President of the Republic of Malawi. Right Honorable Chihana, a panel in London with a number of British ministers and others. I think Kagame was there, and Conde before he was overthrown, and others. So they asked me, what's your contribution to the African market, common market? They said, aren't you so excited that the African common market? What's your contribution? I said, I'm excited, but I have no contribution. They said, why? I said, because I don't make anything. I'm not manufacturing anything in my country. So there's nothing I can sell on that market. And that's what we're telling, that we're not producing. And as long as we're not producing, people can give us tariff, duty-free treatment, and you can reciprocate and give them duty-free treatment, but we will not benefit. So I created the means of industrialization, business, trade, of course, related, and of course, tourism, because they all are involved together to bring in forex in this country. And I chose Mr. Partridge. I know him to help us to rebuild this country and to add value to this country, aspects of our economy. The creation of the second vice president will enable us to add more personnel to the presidency, and also provide unity, especially with our friends in the north. But we have our friends in the north also in the presidency, and I think that's very, very important, that everyone in this country should feel that they are participating in this country. That's what I want to do. Let me emphasize that the oath of office that you have taken today is a solemn commitment between you and the people of this country. It is a commitment that you are going to serve this country, that you are going to do government to serve this country, that you are not going there kudyera kuntaya Afrika sobona yodyera ntaya Afrika ayi zimene janzakale zatazimezo, dia zatazimezo. This time you are going there to work for the people and produce profits for this country. So go in there, understanding that if I find, I'll be requiring one-page reports every month, as I did before, from every minister, 1 page of what you have done in the previous month. And it better be clear, concrete, supported by facts about it. So you'll be amazed. You'll be amazing the kind of things that come on my desk. That what people want me to deal with. Everything. So we try our best to do that, and because people need the help. So treat people impartially and advise. If you know that the request that makes sense, but deal with them in a diplomatic way, so when they leave to go home, they'll leave as happy. There will be a listening government. That's what people want. They want to be listened to. So try your best to do that. And the 3 regions, North, Center, and South, also delivery in equal terms when you deliver services, where there is construction, where there is fertilizer. That's where I put the fertilizer. It's very difficult to say fertilizer. I was with some donors from outside, and I said fertilizer. I'm so used to saying fertilizer, but I don't think they noticed. They thought I was just mispronouncing it, but make sure that you're ready for fertilizer or unfair treatment. Try your best to help those people so that they feel the government is listening to them, to their wishes. Also, I think, as I say, that we'll try to share the presidency across the board and the sources. That's why I've moved some institutions